How to install the Epic Game Launcher on the device. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. First of all, let's discuss what is Epic Games Launcher. It is a digital storefront or gaming platform which was developed by the Epic Games. It serves as a central hub for accessing and managing games published by game Epics and their partners. Some of its key features are it works as a game store, free games, library management, update and patches, game launching, community features, mod support, cross-platform integration, and much more. You can get access to the exclusive titles, promotional offers, and competition. To install it, simply go to the website which is store.epicgames.com, and then there you have an option to download Epic Game Launcher. This will simply install or download a .msi or .exe file. Double tap on it and then it will start for the installation. First of all, a pop-up box will open whereby you have to give access to the location. So first of all, choose the location where you want to store the Epic Games. You can change it as well by browsing and then tap on the install button. Before the install button is started, it will ask you for a permission. And once you tap on yes, the installation will start. It can take multiple minutes as it has to install and set up various kind of files, so you'll have to wait until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you can easily access the Epic Game Launcher. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.